Hey guys, come on in, come on in. How are you guys doing? How was your day so far, guys? Tell me, where are you guys watching from? Hi Rafe, where are you watching from? South Africa, where are you? Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, Pretoria. From which cities are you guys watching? It is so lovely of you guys to join. Thank you very much. And if you're outside of South Africa, tell me, from which country are you from? Guys, you guys are more than welcome to interact with me or ask questions during this live. Lonely, thank you for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me, Lonely. Oh wow, guys, thank you for watching and coming in. Is there anybody from Cape Town in the house watching? Hi Ian the Brain, where are you watching from? Cape Town, Pretoria. Is there anybody here from Durban? If you've watched me before, put a 2 in the comment. And while you guys are coming in, please like and share the live. Please like and share the live, guys. Guys, please like and share the live so that it can get out to more people. Give me some love, guys. Give me some love with your likes. Because today we are talking about something I think a lot of working women, and I do mean a lot of working women, are going to understand. Please like and share the live. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm not even gonna start with digital marketing. We're gonna talk about money. And I know for a lot of people that's like a bit of a sensitive topic. We are going to talk about that moment a few days after payday, where you realize and you sit and you think, yo, where has my money gone? How many of you guys think like maybe 3 or 5 days after payday, you guys think, yo, what happened to my pay? Put a 1 if you have ever felt like that. Put a 1 if you've ever felt like, yo, where has my pay gone to? Guys, please like and share the live as you come in. Has any of you guys ever wondered that? Um, I mean, if you ever looked at your bank account, and you think, okay, darling, where did the pay go? It's almost like your salary is a drive-through, or your bank account is a drive-through for your salary. How many of you guys have ever felt like that? If you guys have ever felt like that, please like the live and please share the live as well. Tell me I'm not the only one. Guys, I cannot be the only one that has felt that way. I know I'm not the only one that has felt that way. I know there are more of you guys that has felt like that. That has felt like, there has to be something more, ne? Mologadi, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Caleb, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Madeline Dino, you said payday. Milan, you said payday. Hi Sabina, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, this is a very nice surprise. Cheesy, thank you for the follow. Cheesy, you also said payday, ne? But guys, I understand completely. I understand completely because I know exactly where you guys, I know exactly how you guys are feeling. Okay guys, here's what we are going to talk about tonight. We're talking about why I started digital marketing. Why I believe working women need more options and why working women deserve to have more financial freedom. That is why, and that is what we're going to talk about tonight. We're also going to talk about what I am learning and how someone with a full-time job like myself that works 12 hours a day can still start an online business. Someone can still start a digital marketing business. Even someone like myself who works 12 hours a day. Because let's face it, somebody like me, we don't have another extra 8 hours, to go and work a second shift. We have limited time as working women. Guys, please like and share the live. I would really, really appreciate that. Please like and share the live, guys. Because, the reason why I started for me is something very, very, very personal, right? Like a few days after payday, you look at your bank account and you are thinking, where did everything go? But when you actually think about it, you know exactly where it went. The rent went off, the bills went off, the groceries went off, the mortgage went off, the the school fees went off, TD. asking the school fees went off. The car needed petrol, you needed to buy electricity, you needed to buy dog food and also food for yourself. That's where it went. It went to the house mortgage. And then after everybody got sorted out, you are the last person left. And then you look at your bank account like after 5 days, right? And then you're like, yo, really? How am I supposed to survive on this little for so long until the next payday? Put a 1 in the comment if any one of you guys have ever felt like that. Is there any one of you guys that has ever felt like that? Rochelle, Major, have you guys ever felt like that? Put a 1 in the comment. Because let's face it, sometimes there's almost nothing left for you of your own pay that you have worked the entire month for. And that feeling honestly got me, guys, because I work 30 days and then I get the X amount of money, and then, I have to pay bills and I have to help family and I have to, I have to buy food and all of those things. But then at the end of the day, there's very little left for me. And I know there are so many of you guys that can relate to this. I think Silent and Joe can relate to this. Because I remember thinking, right? I work hard, I show up, I do what I'm supposed to do. Sometimes I even work overtime. So why do I still feel stuck? Like, why do I still feel like I'm waiting for better days? And why do I still feel like, I'm waiting for the next payday to come and rescue me? Has any of you guys ever felt like that? And it's like very frustrating when you feel like that almost every single month. Does anybody understand that? Put me in the comments if you guys can understand that, or if you guys can understand where I'm coming from. Because this has got nothing to do with like you being irresponsible with money. Because the fact is, yes, you do get paid and you work hard and everything, but your salary stays the same while everything else goes up. Like your salary stays, for example, 10,000 rand, but the petrol prices go up, the electricity goes up, the telephone bills and the school fees and everything goes up, but yet your salary stays the same, and it has to manage everything that goes up. Still has to handle all of the bills that goes up. Like your responsibility still remains the same. And I think sometimes your responsibilities might even become more, even though your salary is staying the same. Guys, please like and share the live. And that is what's happening for some people, right? People are saying you must manage your money better and you know and all of that. But I think most of the time like that's not even the issue. The issue is everything is going up. Everything is going up, but your salary stays the same, and yet people still expect you to cover the same things. And life costs money. To be here on this earth is not for free. And I know everybody can relate to that. And if you only have one income, right, that is carrying all of these responsibilities, the telephone, the mortgage, the food, etc. And if you one salary that's carrying all of that, and then on top of that, you get like an unexpected expense or unexpected emergency that you have to pay for, then that unexpected emergency can feel like your whole life is being ruined or your whole month is being ruined. For example, your tire can burst because let's face it, your tire doesn't care about payday. Something breaking in your house doesn't ask whether it is in your budget. Family emergencies. For example, if you now need to take someone urgently to the doctor and you don't have a medical aid, which by the way also costs money, then you need to pay for that because emergencies, right, they don't schedule themselves around your budget or your payday. And that is what got me thinking. I need extra income, I need extra like I need more options. And if you guys can relate to that, please like my live. And I just wanted, I don't know, more breathing room, financial freedom, not necessarily some ridiculous lifestyle, just breathing room and, more financial stability and like a more financial freedom. Okay, so why I started. For anybody who has just joined, my name is Sita. And the reason why I started the Legacy Builders program is because I wanted to be debt free. I wanted to be able to retire earlier. I wanted to be able to support my family more, and I wanted my future kids to have a better life. And that is like the main reason why I started. And yeah, tonight I'm talking to working women who are looking for an extra income and who wants to learn extra digital skills so that they can earn extra income, so that they can have more financial or more income options for themselves. Guys, please like and share my live. The reason why I started digital marketing is I didn't start digital marketing because I woke up one morning and thought, okay, I've always dreamed about becoming a digital marketer. No, that wasn't it. Like that most certainly wasn't it. I started because I wanted more financial freedom. I wanted to be debt free. I wanted to I wanted to be able to retire earlier and help my families more. How many of you guys are able to relate to that? Type a 3 in the comments. And one day, when I have children of my own, I want to be able to give them a better life. Is there anybody on here that can relate to what I'm saying? Leanne, can you relate? Is there anybody on here that can relate to what I'm saying? And eventually I realized if I wanted something different, right, then I would have to do something different to earn uh, a different income. I would have to learn new skills and I would have to be consistent at it. If you want a different outcome, guys, you guys are going to have to do something different. Because here's the thing, right? Simply working harder at the same job is not going to fix the issue for you guys. And, and that's when I started doing more research. I started looking, on at TikTok, online, watching people, doing just like a lot more research. And I was also trying to understand how are people actually making money online. Has any of you guys ever done that? I wanted to know how digital marketing actually works, how content creation actually works, how email marketing and generating leads actually works. I wanted to understand all of that. And guys, I'm still learning. I'm not perfect. I make my mistakes, but I am making progress. Tina, I am making progress. Yeah, and sometimes I still think to myself, yo, Z, girl, what are you doing? And then I fix it. And that is the journey. And that is the journey of this. Like, you don't have to do everything perfectly. You must just start. And now you don't need to wake up like knowing everything. Absolutely not. And for me, what has changed now is I have a lot more direction and my mindset is a lot better. Let me ask you guys something, right? How many women watching me right now? How many women watching me right now have a job? How many of you guys have a job but still feel like you need another option? Put a 1 in the comments if that's you. Not because you are going to work or you have to walk to work or you want to like resign or something like that. or not because like you necessarily hate your job. I'm talking about like having options, having financial freedom. Maybe your salary, pays your bills, but doesn't leave you much room for anything else. Maybe you want to pay off your debt faster. Maybe you want to save more. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to give your children more. Maybe you just want to walk into a grocery store without a calculator. How many of you guys want to do that? Yamna, do you want to do that? Walk into the store without a calculator? That's the kind of freedom that I'm talking about. And here's another question. If an unexpected 2,000 Rand expense happened tomorrow, would it inconvenience you? Or would it completely throw your month upside down? And you guys don't even need to answer that publicly. Just think about it. Because that was one of the things that made me realize I needed to start building something. And so do you. Not overnight, not magically, but deliberately, on purpose and intentionally. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk to you guys about the 2-hour Legacy Builders workday. And when I talk about building income, I'm not saying that working woman suddenly needs like another 8-hour job after coming home exhausted. My goal is to use a focused 2 hours business building routine that can help people save time, and so that it can help people spend more time with their families. And with a focused 2 hours, you can create content, you can check your emails, you can write the letters, you can actually do everything for the Legacy Builders program within 2 hours, 2 focused hours. And you don't need to do them like all at once, right? You can maybe do like 5 minutes here, 30 minutes there, 10 minutes here, or 30 minutes before you go to work. And here's the thing, those 2 working hours, right? They are actually moving you towards your dream future. They are moving you towards your dream future. Now guys, tell me, what would a focused 2 hours do for you guys? Like, how much of a difference would that make if you guys focus for 2 hours? And here's the thing there. Oh, sorry. And here's the thing I wanna ask you guys also. Would a focused 2 hours working on the Legacy Builders program be easier for you guys than going out into the world and working another 8-hour job? Which one would be easier for you? Working the 2 focused hours on the Legacy Builders program business, or going out finding a job and working another 8 hours extra. Put 2 hours in the comments. Put 2 hours in the comments if that sounds more realistic. And notice I said a focused 2 hours. Because sitting on TikTok and doom scrolling for 2 hours, that is not work. Because at some point you have to start, like, you have to implement what you learn. You have to implement what you learn. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain to you guys what digital marketing actually is. Guys, please follow me and please like the live. It would mean a lot to me. Okay, so for the people who have just come in, hi, my name is Zita. I am a certified legacy builders reseller. I help beginners and working women that wants to start I help beginners and working women start their online business so that they can have extra income options. And I help them do that through digital marketing. Okay, so yeah, some of you guys might be on here and wondering, okay, what is digital marketing? Well, I'm going to explain it to you guys now. Very simple, right? Digital marketing is using the internet to promote products. So, to promote products like, I don't know, maybe like a light or a tablet or a phone, you use the internet, social media to promote that product. Or you can even promote the digital products or physical products, like ointment or a light or whatever the case might be. You help to get that product, service, or message out to the right customer, to the ideal customer who needs that product, message, or service. And you do that by promoting the product online. That is digital marketing. And you don't need to make it more complicated than that. You see digital marketing literally every single day. Like the moment someone is posting about a product, that is digital marketing. You see it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, basically every social media platform that you can think of. You even see it in emails, like that is called email marketing. The skill is learning how to use those platforms intentionally to simply instead of simply doom scrolling. Learn how to use the platforms to your advantage instead of simply doom scrolling. Use it to promote your business. And that is the reason why I started sharing the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It gives beginners somewhere to start so that they can start understanding digital marketing. Hi Kay, how are you? How are you guys doing? How's everybody doing tonight? It gives the blueprint, it gives you somewhere to start. It gives me, because when I first started researching online income, right? There was information everywhere. One person says do this, another person says do that, and another person says never do this or don't avoid this. One person says like start a funnel, another person says sell this, another person says do affiliate marketing. But no one no one told me what to do first. Where do I start first? Has anybody ever experienced that? Oh, almost like a overload of information. I know I have. Has that ever happened to any one of you guys? Hi Nadia. Have you guys ever felt overwhelmed because of like almost because of like too many messages? Or not messages, almost like because of too much information. Hi Leonard, how are you? Because beginners, right? Because beginners or people that are looking into this don't necessarily need more information or like another 6,000 videos that gives them information. Sometimes they just need somebody to say, start here. And that is what the blueprint is so great at doing. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you guys the different packages of the Legacy Builders program. The Launchpad. The Launchpad is $100. Hi Lily, how are you? So the Launchpad is $100, Lily. The Launchpad is like a beginner entry point for someone who wants foundational training around setting up mindset, social media platforms, and starting like with the basics online. What do you mean it's not that bad? What do you mean it's not that bad, Lily? And this is also for someone who wants to like start with digital marketing but don't necessarily have like enough money to start with the higher programs. The $100 in the $300 is perfect. And then the second program is the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. That is $300. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint focuses more on deeply and organic marketing skills such as storytelling, short form content, and ways of generating attention without depending entirely on paid advertising. Okay, the digital mastery. That is $600. Okay, so the digital mastery is $600. Uh, That is for someone who wants to go deeper into digital marketing and wants to learn more digital marketing skills and build a stronger knowledge around digital marketing and how to grow an audience online. And then the flagship program is the Legacy Builders program package. That is $900. Guys, please like and share the live. Hi, Humpo. Please like and share the live. Okay, so the Legacy Builders, the $900 package provides a broader training, and it also includes all of the previous packages. That is for someone who wants like all the packages in one. Instead of buying all of those packages, all of the previous packages separately. So with the $900 package, you get all of the previous packages, plus you get plus you get um plus you get like the you get all of the previous packages, right, with the $900 package, plus you also get all of the you also get like extra training. I hope that makes sense. I'm glad you met Tyler, Skinny Van Diesel. I'm glad you met her. I'm very happy for you. And the last package, which is the bundle pack, that is $1,400. The bundle pack combines the program resources into the most comprehensive option. And this is for someone who wants access, right, to a wider training package or pathway. Hi, Jesus loves you. How are you? Guys, please like and share the live. And guys, hear me on this, right? Hi, Christopher. And guys, hear me on this, right? Like, I'm not telling you guys to like choose the biggest package because the biggest number, I'm not I'm not telling you guys like to automatically choose like the biggest package. You guys must choose the package that is best for you and for your budget. And we also do have payment plans, né? So yeah, I'm not telling you guys to choose the biggest package because the biggest number must automatically be the best. That is not that is not how I want you guys making decisions. Your starting point should make sense for your experience, your needs, and your situation. So make a choice on which package you want based on your budget, um, but also based on what is best for you. Guys, please ask questions. You guys are more than welcome to ask questions. Understand what you are getting and then decide. Okay, so let me talk to you guys now. I don't want this live to become me giving you guys a lecture. Tell me, What is your biggest reason for wanting additional income? Like, why do you guys feel you guys would want additional income? Guys, this is an interactive live. This is a very safe space. But if you guys don't want to comment this on the live, it's fine. Just think to yourself, why do you want or need an extra income? Is it because of debt? Is it because your children? Is it because is it because you want more breathing room? Is it because you want to leave your job eventually? Hi Jeff, Carl, Gloy, how are you? Is it because you want to help your family more? What is the reason you need more financial, an extra income? And breathing room doesn't, necessarily mean millions. Sometimes breathing room means the car needs something and you can handle it. Your children's so your school fees needs to be paid and you can afford it. You need to buy groceries and you can go into the grocery store without taking a calculator, and you can even buy more stuff. Sometimes that is what an extra income means. And you don't have to put anything back. And that is what people sometimes miss when they hear financial freedom. Financial freedom doesn't necessarily always mean Lamborghinis and, double-story houses. Let me ask you guys another question. How many of you feel like you've been watching videos about online businesses for months, but you still have not taken any action? Put the word start in the comments. Because learning, saving videos, taking screenshots, and never implementing, that can also be another trap. At some point, you have to implement what you have learned. Hi Ronaldo, how are you? Guys, before I leave, I want to bring this back to why I started. Because I don't want you leaving this life thinking, yo, Z is telling everybody digital marketing is going to make them rich. That is not what I'm saying. I'm telling you why I chose to learn it. I looked at the future that I wanted. I wanted to become debt free. I wanted to be able to make more choices. I wanted the possibility of retiring earlier. I wanted to be able to help my family more. Don't you guys want that as well? Don't you guys want that as well? I think everybody wants that. And I wanted to be able to create a better future for my children, for my future children. Who doesn't want that? And then I realized, okay, if I kept doing what I'm doing now, then I'm not gonna go anywhere. Like, I realized, okay, that I needed to do something better. I needed to study and learn new skills so that I can earn new income or better income. If you want something better and something new, then you are gonna have to do something different. And yes, I am still learning, I'm still building, I'm still implementing, but I am making progress. I am working towards the future that I want. I'm not just, sitting by idly and hoping and praying for that one income a month. And I'm not just hoping to survive like until the next payday. I'm actually doing something about it. Maybe you don't need somebody, maybe you don't need somebody promising you millions. Maybe you don't need somebody telling you you are going to quit your job the next month. Maybe you just need somebody to show you here's a place where you can start learning, because maybe what you are really looking for isn't a Ferrari or a Lamborghini or a big house. Maybe you are looking for your bank account 5 days after payday, and you're tired of saying, maybe you are maybe you are looking, let me just adjust here quickly. Maybe you're looking at your bank account 5 days after payday, right? We all know that feeling. 5 days after payday, and you are tired of saying, where did all of my pay go? Maybe you are tired of that. Maybe you want groceries in the house. Maybe you want the bills to be paid. Maybe you want your debt to come down. Maybe you want to save money. Maybe you want something that is left for you. And maybe you want peace when an unexpected expense pops up. And I know everyone listening to my voice can hear this. I know everybody can relate to what I'm saying right now. And that is why I'm talking to working women. But because you can be grateful, right? You can be very grateful for the job you have, but still want more. Maybe you want more options for your future. Those things can coexist together. Being grateful for your job you have, but also at the same time wanting more. So if you have been sitting here listening and thinking, Z, I don't know where, I, maybe you've been sitting here thinking, right? Z, I don't know whether digital marketing is for me, but I want to understand what you are talking about. Comment info on my live or any one of my posts, or take a screenshot of this and WhatsApp me the word info, or you can DM it to me. So either you guys can WhatsApp me the word info, DM me the word info, or comment the word info under any one of my posts, and I will send you the free Freedom Formula blueprint. Go through it, understand what it actually is, then decide whether this is something you want exposure or you want to experience further. No pressure. But please don't spend the next 12 months only watching other people try things while you still keep telling yourself one day. You get to decide whether it's one day or day one. You get to decide if today is one day or day one. You can start by educating yourself. Guys, if you got value from this live, please like the live, please share it with somebody else, put a heart in the comments. And before you go, tell me, right? What is one thing you want your finances to look different? Like, what is one thing you want your finances to look different 1 year from now? Like, do you want to be debt free in a year from now? Do you want savings in a year from now? Do you want breathing room or more options in a year from now? Horizon, Tegan, PYT, Flower Girl, Kobe. Everybody who commented info, I'll tell you how to get the blueprint. And guys, remember why you are building. I will see you guys in the next live. Guys, please DM me the word info or comment info under any one of my posts or WhatsApp me the word info. So either WhatsApp me the word info on the number that you see here or comment info under any one of my posts or DM me the word info and I will send you the free Freedom Formula blueprint. I will see you guys in the next live. Good night.